you're out in your garden this spring and summer and you notice some fine webbing over your plants, this could be a visual indicator that you have an infestation of spider mites. Spider mites will feed on a wide variety of different types of plants in your landscape. So here we can see that we have a cluster of really fine webbing at the tip of this branch, and on closer inspection we found more webbing dispersed all throughout this plant. So again, this is your first visual indicator, but if you want to confirm the presence of this pest to make sure that they are still present and actively feeding before you institute any kind of control measures, one easy way to do that is with the white paper test. So take a white piece of paper, put it close to your plant, and give it a little shake. Okay, so now that we've done the test and we can see that there are actual spider mites present on the plant, now is the time that we could shift gears and start thinking about control methods. So I would start with looking at some cultural control options. Obviously, this plant is already stressed, so we want to focus on improving those growing conditions. Then we could come in, if the infestation is not too heavy, we could certainly just prune out the places of the plant where we're seeing the heaviest loads. Then we could give the rest of that plant a good a spray with a good strong stream of water. And then from there, maybe we would look at some of our other chemical controls like insecticidal oils, soaps, things of that nature. So those steps should help you take care of your spider mite infestation, and from there on, just keep an eye on it throughout the growing season.